InfoComm 19 at the HDBaseT Alliance booth. I'm joined here by Graziella Spizzi from Fabrimex Systems. Thank you for joining me. How are you?
Good, thank you for having me.
So, Graziella, Graziella, tell me a little bit more about Fabrimex Systems and what your role is there.
I'm the owner at Fabrimex Systems, and we're a company in Switzerland in industrial computing and machine vision.
Okay, and what is it that you're showing here at InfoComm?
We're showing an embedded version of HDBaseT. So our extenders are completely built into the computer and the screens, so you don't need an external extender box.
Oh.
And what we're showing is a version where we also send power through the link so that the whole screen is powered over the link. And in addition, we're showing a very special firmware version where you only use 2 pairs of the cable. So you have 2 pairs free to use for whatever you need. One pair we're using to power the monitor, and the other one we're using for emergency stop functionality.
Great, so what are some of the specific advantages that these solutions offer?
Well, one thing is that you really need only one cable that goes to the monitor. No additional power cords, nothing. It's just that one single wire. And it also gives you a lot of distance. Usually you're limited with your HDMI cables to 5 meters, and especially in industrial shop floors, machines are really large where you need like 50 plus meters of cables.
Great. What are some of the specific applications where your solutions appear a lot?
Well, again, that's in the industrial field, machine shop floors, but also because the products are rocked, like waterproof, shockproof, vibration-proof. You can also have them outdoors for digital signage applications, and also, of course, for medical.
Yeah, tell me more about the medical applications.
Well, medical applications, you have a lot of areas where you're supposed to have as few pollutants as possible. Like, for example, in a clean room, you don't want any dust or anything coming to those rooms. And usually computers with their fans, they actually bring in a lot of pollutants. So if you can have those systems outside of the clean room and just bring in one cable and a monitor, it saves you a lot of hassle.
Yeah, absolutely. What can people expect next coming from Fabrimex?
Well, next up, we're really looking forward to the VS3000 chip going into 4K for the industrial field as well.
Okay, and that's interesting, 4K in the industrial field. Haven't they been a little bit slower to adopt?
Industrial is a lot slower to adopt, that's right. And for a lot, 1080p is sufficient for another 5 to 10 years at least. But there are also applications where it gets more and more popular to actually show 3D models where 4K actually is an advantage.
Mm-hmm. So have you been hearing specific interest about the new VS3000 chip from your customers, and what have they been telling you?
Well, a lot of them were actually saying that 4K actually is a thing that they would like to adopt in 2 to 3 years time frame. So they're really looking forward to that.
Yeah. All right. Where can people learn more about Fabrimex Systems?
Well, of course, on our homepage, which is www.fabrimex-systems.ch, and of course on LinkedIn and Facebook.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you very much.
I'm Lindsay Adler with AVNation, and I'm here with Graziella Spizzi from Fabrimex Systems. Thanks for joining me.